Hi everyone, Punggol Handyman here again. So today we are going to have a look at part 2 of the piano restoration. This would apply to any form of furniture that you may have at home. Most of our furniture you buy from IKEA, from China, or even from carpenters in Singapore, they are made from plywood or MDF board covered with a layer of laminate. And what you might notice is that over time, it starts to peel off. The laminate starts to peel off in places like that. And if you're not careful, it will start to get worse, and your kids will start picking at it, and then you start cracking. So as soon as the peel starts, you want to get that addressed, get that fixed as soon as you can, and probably it will make your furniture last a long time. Before getting into the video, do give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and of course I put up videos every week or so. They're really simple for homeowners like yourself who want to do a bit of simple DIY at home, and you want to get into fixing your stuff, right? With that out of the way, let's get into it. So as you can see here, there is a bit of delamination coming off from the piano leg, and we are just going to stick that back, and hopefully that will hold, and it will stop the delamination from becoming worse. What happens is over time the glue kind of weakens, alright, or maybe they didn't put enough glue, and then it just opens up, it dries up, and it peels away. Now, what you want to get is this contact cement. Okay, it says there, contact adhesive. You don't want to be using white glue. You don't want to use like epoxy. This will just take a long time, and you'll create a mess. I'm going to teach you how to use this real quick. It comes in a small can, and open it up like that, and you will see this is quite potent stuff. So when you're doing this, please open up all your windows. Keep the fan on, well ventilated, or else it's known to cause brain damage if you breathe in too much of that. Yeah. Okay. So it's pretty thick. The consistency, it's almost like a jelly. And what you want to do is grab some thinner. So over here I've got thinner, and I want to thin it down a bit. Okay, this is an old tin, so I've got a bit of space in it. But if you have a new tin, probably you want to pour some out and mix it in a separate container. And then what you do is you give it a stir. Okay, try to get it all well mixed up, because this would make application a lot easier. Okay, and I mean, if you wanted to, what you could do is cover it up again. Okay, and then you give it a shake. Okay. There you go. Open that up. That should be ready. Okay, so grab yourself a toothpick. Okay, and you want to open up your workpiece. Okay, and then start spreading it on both sides. So you want to spread some here, like that. Make sure you get it all on the wood. I don't need this toothpick yet. There we go. Go to the corner, bottom, all the way to the edge. There, like that. Okay, make sure it's all the way to the edge, and you don't want to put too much, you just want a bit. Okay, a smooth and as uniform a layer as you can get. Okay. Then this goes against all common sense. You want to hold the parts apart. So I'm using a couple of toothpicks to wedge the part open, and you want to let it dry. Makes no sense, but yes. Be patient, let it dry. It takes about 5 minutes, and once it's dry to the touch, we can go ahead and close it up. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on this side as well. And there you go. Hold that open. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes already. I'm just gonna lift this up and touch it. So you see my finger doesn't stick to the glue at all, and that's why this is called contact glue. It sticks to itself, and that's why you need to have both surfaces glued up. And when you remove your spacers, just give that nice press down all the way to the edge, and that will be stuck there forever. So you see, it doesn't come out anymore, and you have your fix done. So that's how you patch back your laminate, you know, for laminate furniture, your cupboards, shelves, especially those that you get off AliExpress or China. So they are all pretty much the same thing. So you can clean this off with a bit of alcohol, and that would be as good as new. So there you go. So my friends, that's how you fix laminate on the furniture with a bit of contact glue and a brush and a few toothpicks. If you like that tip, do give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. You know, check up here for my next few videos. And of course, I'll see you on the next one.